Whipping It Up comes in 9 delicious flavours, but today I've chosen the salted caramel flavour. Who doesn't like a bit of salted caramel? As Whipping It Up contains pasteurised egg white, it isn't suitable for vegans, but it is suitable for vegetarians. It's nut-free, it's dairy-free, it's gluten-free, and the bags are totally resealable and recyclable. So today we are going to decorate 3 cupcakes with our Whipping It Up. Now I've pre-coloured mine, but it doesn't change the taste of the Whipping It Up one little bit. It just makes them lovely and pastel coloured. So let's get piping. So here we go. This is so gorgeous and smooth and glossy, and the shine just stays there. I mean, look at that. And you know what? Where you just bring that up, let's just pop a little leaf onto there. That's number 1 done in a gorgeous pink colour. Let's do a lovely lemon rose now. So easy to use in these piping bags. And where you've just finished your rose little bit there, again, just pop a couple of leaves on. So even though the Whipping It Up is really smooth and shiny, the structure is brilliant, as everything just holds its shape when you've done your leaves. Nothing is drooping over, everything just holds and stays there, and that's how it will stay until you're ready to serve them to your guests. That's how easy it is to decorate your cupcakes. It's holding its structure really well, it's shiny, it's glossy, and it's going to taste amazing.